What's up, y'all? It's Timmy. We are on our way to Thompson Pass right now, en route. And there's a couple reasons we're going. The main reason we're going to Thompson Pass is there's a pretty important person in the skiing community and snow machine community up here that passed away. And we're gonna go to his celebration of life up at St. Lodge today. It's kind of sad. I'd only met him a couple times, and seemed like a pretty cool guy, but a lot of my friends knew him really well. And I don't know, just gonna go there, just go be part of it. So we're going out there for that. And then tomorrow, if all goes well, we'll try to get the very last day of the season in, snow machining and skiing and all that stuff. So we're on our way. It's a beautiful day out, as you can tell. We're almost to Glen Allen, and we'll go camp out in Thompson Pass tonight.
Probably kind of hard to see, but here we are in the parking lot. Made it. Call it a night.
We've got some adventuring to do in the morning, so I'm gonna turn in. See you in the morning.
Good morning, everybody. It's coffee time. Let's get it going. Not looking too good out today. Really overcast, so we'll see. We're gonna try to go anyway. So our plan today is to head up to the glacier. So today is probably gonna be the last snow machine ski day of the entire season. It's pretty much the first weekend in May almost, so I think it's just time. We're gonna go try to make one final day of it. See how that goes. This Max Air fan's pretty sweet, just being able to pop that up and turn on the fan, and it pulls all that condensation out whenever I'm cooking. Kind of nice. So I'm gonna get some coffee going, make some breakfast, and I'm gonna walk across the street to the Tailgate Alaska parking lot. I'm in the opposite side right now. I'm in the One Love parking lot, so I'm gonna walk across, and oddly enough, I have a video premiere this morning. I have to go get Wi-Fi at Dustin's tent over there and have a video showing and live chat with you guys, so let's go do that. Fresh cup of Joe. Truck House Live mug, you like that? Let's go get some internet across the street.
Man, the snow is melting quick.
And as you can see, Dustin's still here.
It's like basically the last person here in the tailgate lot. He puts all this effort into doing all this and setting all this up, so he stays to enjoy it after everyone leaves. Pretty cool. We're gonna go wake him up. I gotta start the generator to get service.
I had a good successful premiere on YouTube over there at the tent. And I just really like doing those premieres because it allows me to actually chat with you guys versus just putting a video out and it's just out and all I can do is comment. It's just cool to be able to talk live with you guys. So that's why I do premieres. I know it annoys some people, but then some people love it. So, you know, I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna do and hopefully you guys enjoy most of it. Anyway, I'm going to do some editing for a while and just get the day started like that since it's a little bit cloudy. Hopefully the clouds will pop and we'll be going up that way and up and over the pass onto the glacier today. And it should be pretty cool because Dustin, the dude that throws the Tailgate Alaska Festival, has not got to go over there all year because he's been working his tail off. So we're gonna go get him out today and go somewhere cool together. That's the plan. Looks like the light is actually, it's still not great, but it's starting to pop. So let's get unloaded and get on the snow.
It's not a dog.
That's funny, I walked across the street to come see what these guys are up to, and then they're coming towards me. So I jumped in the trailer. I'm gonna go back across the One Love parking lot on this side. Looks like the weather's clearing up. Go get out for a ride. Famous Thompson Pass stop sign right there. With stickers on it. It is starting to get nice. Like I was saying, this is probably going to be the last day of the season.
He's had it.
He can't take the people anymore.
Can't do it.
I thought it was over! Wouldn't it be crazy if it was like time just went backwards and all of a sudden it was starting all over again?
Oh, man.
Yeah, you're looking at it. You know, this is might be the final day of riding. There's some people still chilling in the parking lot.
Staying out here a little longer, but it's winding down. We'll get the dream team today. Should be fun. Get ready and go. Check out the staff tent up in here. Tent life. I'm just like getting a little. What you got there?
I'm gonna put a
Frank's
little
Red?
Frank's Red
It's
Hot
getting
on
a little
this
low
turkey
reserves
meat.
there, bud.
Yeah, it's a little marinade for the turkey.
Little Dustin's cooking show here.
Oh yeah, I hope they like spice.
Yeah.
Send them right back to the porta potties.
Is that canned turkey?
No, it's lunch meat.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
you
this
guys aren't messing around.
No.
Little Hillshire.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to live right next to that factory.
Oh, nice.
Whole bunch of cots going on. Pretty sweet.
Tea's gone cold and rolling away.
This is the fridge freezer. Keep things nice and cool. OG burn barrel for the fires. Just a cool place. Just the community that's built here, and I don't know. You got 2 parking lots and people from all over the world gather. And it's pretty sweet. Surprised it's not more ISO than this.
Yeah, it doesn't
Like
seem
it's
too
not
bad.
horrible. Like 3 in the afternoon.
Yet, anyways.
It's coming. This is higher too than Eureka though. This is like
It is a
Eureka's
little
like
bit, yeah.
this has like 600 or 700 feet on it. This is Greg Stafford. This is Demolition Hill.
See how he does.
This is the time of year. I mean, Demolition Hill's not good any time of year, but especially now. See how it goes. I'll try to have a steady hand so you guys can watch. Greg's approaching kind of high right, which can involve a little bit of a side hill maybe. Right there. Oh, he's on that 175 Polaris long track, so he can come in slow and hook up good. There it is. Nice. He made it look a little too easy, which is concerning. Now it's our turn. Let's get Western. Yo, Gregory, you get your radio on? Going for it. Oh! He's down. Woo!
Okay.
I can come up and help you too, Jeremiah, if you're in a weird spot there, man.
Come down? Yeah, I'm gonna roll and come down.
You got it, or you need a hand, man?
Give me a second.
Yep.
Come on your hand if you can, it's like...
Yeah, I'll come get you. It's pretty sketchy.
Right there. Like I literally didn't make it.
Yeah, it's and like where it starts getting sketchy is like right when you get up that bench and you kind of have to sidle.
Yeah.
It's just going. This is like the worst hill in the pass to get up almost.
Yeah.
I think you almost got it.
Yeah.
Pull this front end around. Right. Dustin's stepping up to the plate. Oh, he's gonna shoot the needle. He's going for the needle. Yeah. That finger throttle is gonna be weird. Or I'd feel like I'd be nervous going up that with the finger throttle. Here goes Jay, round 2. Starting to lose it, and he's coming down. This hill is super entertaining.
What do you guys think, those 3?
Jay Bird coming in, round 3. See if the old third time's a charm here. Whoop. Go, 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 go. There you go.
That was close.
Dude, we gotta tell him.
Give it the gas, man! Give it the gas!
There we go. Stay on it. Stay on it. He almost needs to like spin the track. Oh! Gets close.
Smash some alders, dude. Yeah, as long as the alders isn't as big as your... Smash it up here, bro! I would go down and turn around. Just go fast, dude. You're driving way too slow, dude. Way too slow.
All right, J-Dog, take 4. Coming in a little hotter. Yeah, a little more confidence. Yep. Oh! Oh. We're coming up on Worthington Glacier up here. Usually you can't get up this every year. It's pretty filled in, so we're gonna try it. That's super filled in this year. It's crazy.
Yeah, have you punched up this before?
8 years ago. It's like it's not.
Never done it until this year.
Yeah.
I was nervous about it, and I was like, oh, this is great. Like, oh no. You know, there's that cave you kind of wrap around, but I think we're all
Yep.
good everywhere.
It used to be like super easy, and then yeah.
Yeah, it just changed. And so you can see like the further you start towards you, the more it's gonna pull you down. So if you try to start a little further over here, you're just gonna think of how it's gonna pull you, you know? And then like, obviously if you go really fast, like it'll be pulling you, but the faster you go, the less it pulls you. So you can just try to shoot around it really fast is the idea. Yeah, just like carry your speed. I'm sure if he just goes fast right here, he'll shoot around it. There you go. Go, 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 go. Yes, go, 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 go. Nice.
Left rail. I think this next part is
A little more straightforward. Or less
not
straightforward.
super straightforward. There's a rock up there.
Oh, nice.
You just see right above that, right there.
Yep. You get a curve, right? You have to counter steer, or can you just lean right?
You definitely have to curve around it.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we continue the adventure and get into even more trouble. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my style of content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.